Today, a deal guaranteed to help you sleep like my baby. Yep, it's bring your daughter to work day. You can, oh, you're smiling. You love my subscribers. You guys have been so amazing and supportive and helping me get to being able to shoot at home with this little angel. And one of the things that I wanted to focus on today, a trending deal across the country now, weighted sleep therapy blankets. A lot of people just buying them left, right, and center. And I wanted to take a look at why this could be your key to sleeping like a baby. We all know that if you swaddle an infant or you wrap them in a conventional blanket and you rock them, they get a sense of security where they will sleep better. And that same sense of security that they get is something that works with pets, works with people, and it's tied to a weighted sleep therapy blanket that I found for its lowest recorded price. Now, if you expand the video description box right under me, you're yawning. I didn't even do the segment yet. You're that tired? You'll find the deal. But I want to take you through what is sweeping across the country right now and trending. The top rated sleep therapy blanket that you can find is weighted with the perfect balance to not only help you sleep better, but make you feel more secure and de-stressed over the course of an entire night. If you've ever seen a dog run under a coffee table or a piece of furniture during thunder, this is that same sense of security that they get that you can now bring to your whole body. And trust me, it works. For me, I don't really have a sense of stress when I sleep, but I will tell you the blanket just feels good. I've spoken to sleep therapists and USA Today's Dr. Derek, and they've all concluded in their tests that this works better than many of the other ones on the market. You can read the studies online, but for heavy stress relief or those living with autism or restless leg syndrome or looking for a natural calming or anxiety, the top relaxation sleep blankets on the market give you that sense of tactile comfort and natural remedy that you could take advantage of at its lowest recorded price. Would I use a weighted sleep blanket? Probably not. I like the way it feels, but if you are living with someone that wants to feel a little bit better when they sleep or sleep more soundly, this could be a great deal to take advantage of. I am now going to go put this baby to bed, but for your next sleep, if you want to take advantage of this deal, you know where to find it. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, there is a very easy way to get subscribed. Click on my head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did is right over here.